So with the new format for the CONCACAF Qatar 2022 World Cup qualification, giving Jamaica a full year to prepare before the final round begins in June 2021. There is good and bad in that development for the Reggae Boyz. The good thing is that automatic qualification for the final round guarantees a full slate of 14 games. So with that certainty, the JFF can plan and market the entire campaign. Another positive is that the Reggae Boyz will not be immediately involved in the still uncertain COVID-19 football times. So we have a year to observe and strategize for our entry into the campaign. The bad of the situation now is that the other teams that will be taking part in the first and second rounds, those teams will be sharper and more battle ready coming into that final round. Remember now, we still don't know what will happen for the next 6 to 9 months in international football, which is the time we will need to be playing intense, tough, and competitive games to sharpen the team for the final round. Those other teams will be guaranteed good competitive games in those early rounds. Yes. So there you have it, the good and bad of the situation for Jamaica with the World Cup qualifying campaign. You see that? Yes, yes, yes. The good and the bad. Yes, yes, yes. Which one will be weighing down more? Yes, 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 yes. The good or the bad? Yes, I don't know which one I don't know. Good.